Today I'm going to illustrate you all about Simple CMS E.S and all its features and what it actually does and the complete compatibility with Liquid Galaxy. So before going to the demonstration, let's visit our application first, like what our application looks like and what does it have. So this is the connection tab. Under that you can see that we have username, password. This section is newer to us because it takes the port number used by Liquid Galaxy, and we don't need to make any changes in Liquid Galaxy. We just need to enter the port number here. So you can see that now we are currently we are not connected to Liquid Galaxy, and under this location tab we have the red button. This is not working because we are not connected to it, and the ESP mode also. So for creating the movement we need location. So let's create the location, and if we go inside the movement we will find the option here, and this will contain the four options: zoom to orbit, spiral, fly to orbit. So and it will create the animation for Liquid Galaxy, not for Google Earth Studio. And the last point is shape. So this is it's all about ham. So let's have the Liquid Galaxy, and you can see that we are connected to it, and we have a storyboard of 7 location. It contains the shapes, movement, orbit, and all the things we have in Liquid Galaxy. So the displaying is showing the demonstration of complete storyboard. And you can see that it doesn't go under the earth. I had fixed that issue also, so it will give the immersive experience of animations. So this is the normal location, and this is zoom to animation of location. Like we have the various kind of animation mode for Liquid Galaxy. So now we are going to export the storyboard. Here you can see that we are going to export complete storyboard, including all of this four features. So let's save it on window, like Sandy told. So let's import this test TSP file in Google Earth Studio. This is test TSP file. I've imported that, and let's play the animation. Here we can see that it is completely render the smooth animation. Okay, completely smoothly zoom in, zoom out of Earth. You can see it's clear. So this is the orbit view of the location. Sometimes it render slowly due to the internet connectivity. We need high speed internet for rendering the animations of geolocations. Now at the end it will show the shape movement of it. And then it will show the zoom to of another location we have added in our application. And at the end the shape of this location. So thank you so much for mentor for watching my demonstration video of Simple CMS E.S. I have completely deployed the Simple CMS E.S. I have supposed to do in Google Scheme of Code 2021, but due to some problems and issue I have unable to do that. But now the application is completely ready to deploy on Play Store, and I have repaired all the features and add on all the new feature we want in Google Summer of 2021. And I have seen that there are lots of features which is not working currently in Simple CMS due to the deprecation of API in that. So for this goal sum of code, I want to repair that features also. I really wants to make again contribution to Liquid Galaxy community. It's my humble request to please fully reconsider me, and I will assure you that this summer I will develop a better application, and in the sustainable manner also, and will repair all the features which is not currently working. So this is my request to you to please reconsider me fully. Thank you so much.